Dr. Terrence Myckatyn at Washington University in St. Louis. I'm the corresponding author for the article Establishment and Characterization of Bacterial Infection of Breast Implants in a Murine Model that now appears in the Aesthetic Surgery Journal. The one most important development reflected in our study was that we know the bacteria can be found on breast implants even in the absence of infection. For a while now, our group has surmised that infection is not simply a matter of the amount of bacteria that is on the implant, but other things as well. For example, the species and strain of bacteria, which can possess different mechanisms for inducing infection. Host factors, including the immune system, will also have varying effects on the ability of particular bacteria to infect. To test the impact of various bacterial species, strains, and virulence factors on breast implants, we have developed a mouse model that we report in this article. The mouse model enables us to zero in on the mechanisms of bacterial infection since we can look at more samples than with, say, a swine or primate model. This approach also enables us to engineer various transgenic mouse strains and more readily develop vaccines and small molecule non-antibiotic therapeutics that can hopefully eventually minimize infection of breast implants. For those of you who are interested in studying breast implant infection, we would recommend studying strains of bacteria that were actually derived from breast implant infection rather than stock strains that could very well have different virulence factors. We would recommend that you pay attention to the dose and timing of the bacterial inoculation, and would also recommend that a multimodal approach be used in order to assess the bacteria that are there. We are now hard at work extending the research that we reported in this article. This includes more detailed examination of the molecular mechanisms by which various bacteria bind breast implants that now use our mouse model. I hope you're healthy and safe, and thank you for reading our article and for reading the Aesthetic Surgery Journal.